Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota RAV4 Hybrid's air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You'll need a new air filter and possibly a screwdriver for some clips. Let's get started and give your engine some fresh air. Now, let's find that air filter. It's typically housed in a black plastic box, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. You'll see a few metal clips around the edges of this box. Carefully unclip these, usually 2 to 4 of them, to release the top cover. Once the clips are undone, you can gently lift the top part of the airbox to expose the old filter inside. Be careful not to pull too hard. With the airbox open, you'll see the old air filter. It might look quite dirty, which is a good sign it needed changing. Gently lift it out. Take a moment to notice how it was seated, as the new filter needs to go in the same way. Now, unwrap your fresh air filter and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it sits flush and securely within the box, without any gaps around the edges. Almost done, carefully lower the top half of the airbox back into place, making sure it aligns correctly with the bottom section. Re-engage all the metal clips you unfastened earlier, ensuring they snap firmly into position. Give the housing a gentle wiggle to confirm everything is secure. Finally, start your engine and listen for any unusual sounds. You've successfully changed your air filter, improving your vehicle's breathing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.